Go back again. Ball change करो, बहुत हवा कम है. इसमें थोड़ी ठीक है, वो ले लो. हाँ, ये ले लो. Okay. Now give the ball back to Jay. And the person who has to receive the ball also have to be little agile, mobile, and at times give a call. Now, if you know where he has to go after receiving the ball from you,
I know.
इसको कहाँ जाना है जब आप बॉल दोगे तो किस पाँव पे खेलोगे? उसके राइट साइड में खेलोगे. Not exactly at feet, also maybe slightly ahead of him so that he doesn't break the momentum. So you also show him where you want. Okay, go. Now give a good pass to him. Okay, again, come on, keep going. Now, Ahan, I don't want you to wait for the ball there. As I said, the person who has to receive the ball, go back. You have to show him that you are the one who's asking for the ball. Now your action or body language has to tell him you want the ball. So now, Fahad, pay attention here. Now Fahad is coming with the ball. Come. Now let's go back. Yeah, Fahad, I'm with you. Now, which foot he played the ball? Where I have to go? So this is how you buy time for yourself in the game, and you say this, oh, Fahad is a better player, or KD is a better player. Now you made still I received the ball, but by the time I receive, turn, what will happen?
Defender will.
The opportunities goes because I have very less time and less space to react and come to my best. So what will happen? I receive here, then I turn here, the opportunity goes. Maybe at the ball here I could see, and then the ball goes in the goal there. Right? Good back pass, cut back, and the goal is empty. Goalkeeper is out of position. The ball goes in. So this is how we say quality. Dev ji, please यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए. Go back first. Now give me a better pass. Got it? So now you also have to be on your toes and then action. Okay, go now. Watch. Yes, good, nice. Now you show the pass. Don't go too far. Control. Never mind. It will happen. Yes. खाली हाथ नहीं दिखाना है, बॉडी भी जानी है. कहाँ जाओगे? Yes. Good first touch on the ball. Now you see the technical ability of your receiving, passing, and you can say, oh, I have to do in this area. Okay? Keep going, keep going. You can even talk. Call. I'm here. Now you need to do so many things. Look up, scanning where my player is, where the space is. Yeah, where can I move? How can I help my teammate to give me a better pass? Okay? Look up, head up, call. Don't stand idly. Not just action. I have to move as well. Look up, head up. Yes, quality pass. Little harder. Call, talk, speak. Now I can see the improvement. Good. You're picking up faster. Keep it up. Try and look up. Improve your vision. Going good. Yes. Shabash. You have to call also. You can put a fake now. Stop. Now, let's make it a little more realistic. Now, in a game, go back. In a game, there will be an opponent always with him. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, how will you give me a dhoka feint? How will you show me that you are going there and receiving the ball there? कैसे करोगे? करो को दिखाओ मुझे. And receive the ball here, right? Give me a high five. Well done. See, you already know it. So that makes my job easier. Ranveer, I'm proud of you. Now with the ball, Behan. Behanos. Now wait. With the ball, I have to come. Now. So now you come back. I really liked it. Keep it up. Now if he is coming with the ball, keep coming. And you're my defender right now. Here he comes. Now see what will happen to him. What did happen to him?
What fake?
Yes, I gave him a feint, pretending as if I'm asking for the ball there, and I received the ball where? On the other side. So this is exactly what you have to do with your quick agility and mobility and smart thinking. Are we clear? Yes. So, thinking that he's your opponent, you fake and you allow him to do. Since we know it now, you have to get it into practice. That's correct practice. Yeah, gentlemen, go. ये जल्दी करने का उसको Opposite side, bend low, yes. Follow. Time your pass. Now key coaching points. Time your pass, time your run. Yeah? See where the space is, be aware of. Awareness is equally important. Yes? Good decision making. Yeah? Good awareness. Good first touch. Knowing the space. Knowing the player. Yes? Don't stand and receive the ball. Pretend. Even if there is no one, pretend. Now time your run. Angle of providing the support. Distance of providing the support. Huh? One of you go there. Na?
They have 4 people.
Why all of you are there? You have to pass and change the position. Na? Then you have to stay there. Now one of you go there. Go there. Now which ball? Now that we have lost the time, you scored. Please turn, entire our opponents are back in shape. Are we clear? Okay, stop. What? Okay, stop. Go back first. Okay, now we can do different, one long pass, one short pass. Okay? So wherever we pass the ball, we move to our right. Listen to the instruction carefully. You pass the ball and move to your right. If you pass the ball, which is your right, same thing, right? Okay? Now when I pass, okay, hang on, you play to me. Wait on it. Okay, now you pass the ball, yes? Now I pass the ball diagonally and move to my right. You move to your right. Okay, got it? Now short pass and then long pass. Go join them. Now long pass, diagonal pass. And move to your right. Now the correct pass. Now you see the distance. Hard driven pass. Look up. Got it? Pass. Move to your right. Diagonal pass. Move to your right. Okay. Pass. Short pass. Move to your right. Diagonal pass. Move to your right. Shabas. Of course. You move to right. Yes. Play. I'm your obstacle. Yeah. Good. Right. Right now, no pressure, no opponent. Be there. Are you getting an idea? Not down, back. Not down. Anyone wants to join in? Back. Anybody else want to join in? Join them at the back on one on each corner.